So I'm giving a report on a 15-year-old male that came in today for a peripheral vascular, musculoskeletal, and neuro assessment. So we started with his neck. We did the range of motion in his neck. He had full range of motion. And then we checked his neck. We checked his muscle strength with the cranial nerve number 11, which is the spinal accessory nerve, which was intact. And then we moved to his upper extremities, and we checked his skin assessment. We checked his skin, which was warm to touch and dry. And then we checked his hair distribution, which was good. Then we checked his skin turgor. His skin turgor was good in both hands. We moved down to his nail bed, which was nice and clean. And his capillary refill was less than 2 seconds in both hands. Then we checked his hand grips. His hand grips were equal and strong. We then moved to his pulses. We checked his radial pulse, and we checked his brachial pulse, which was intact. Then we moved to range of motion for his upper extremities. He had full range of motion, and he was able to move all joints. Then we checked his muscle strength in his upper extremities, which were strong. And then we moved to his lower extremities. So we checked his, we started with his skin turgor. His legs were, we started with his skin, which was nice and warm. His legs were symmetrical bilaterally. He had good hair distribution. His skin was warm and dry. And then we checked his peripheral pulses. His peripheral pulses starting with his femoral, then his popliteal, then his medial tibialis, and then his dorsalis pedialis. And so then we did the heel to shin test, which was negative. And we also, then we did the range of motion, which he was able to move. We did range of motion on his lower extremities. He was able to move all of his lower extremities. He had full range of motion. And we checked his muscle strength, which was good on all his lower extremities. Then we moved to his, we did the Bembowski's test, which was negative. Then we moved to the we moved to the patellar reflex, which was positive. And then we checked him from scoliosis. The scoliosis was negative. We also demonstrated the Romberg's test to check for any swaying, and that was negative as well.